Heading to the junkyard. It's a new day. Trying to go to the junkyard and find the C-clamps that goes on the transfer case from the front drive shaft. I'm going to check them out and see if they got anything. Hopefully, it's like the last piece of the puzzle. Junkyard. Half off day. About to see what they got. Let's see what I can get. Got the AC line off. Oil dipstick. What else? Them hose, the water pump hose. I'm gonna replace these two since they snapped. But this is a Envoy V8. Same as the Trailblazer. It's black. AC lines, water pump, and we got the oil dipstick. I got both of those for the Camaro, and I got both my C-clamps for the Trailblazer. I hope they fit. New day. Finished up the lines. Pretty much replaced those with a nice thick hose that I brought, and then I run the AC with the water pump lines to the water pump. There you go, you can see now. Then it has a small front hose right here, right there I'm pointing to. That goes to the water pump. So yeah, just gotta put the oil in. Pretty much done. Swap out the shifter today with this shifter cable. I already got it out, but that's the reason why. This was a piece broken off, and the shifter cable is trash. But I already got a new one. The new shifter cable right here. This one is perfect. Throw this on. Got my shifter. Throw this in right now. Shifter cable. You can see it rips. It ripped open, and then this part doesn't stretch. This one is together, and this one goes back and forth as it should. So that's that. You can see the difference in that. Works perfect. This one is broken. Swap these out for 10mm bolts. Perfect. Connect the switch. Just gotta run the cable. This broken one is trash. One with the broken cable. Put this new one on here. So I'm taking this one out. Before, I would run the transmission part through the inside, run that through the floor, and then feed this to the top. That's the easiest way, so you can get that perfectly in there. You don't want no leaks. Let's jack up the truck so I can get under there. So after you snap this panel off, pretty much gotta get to that hole right there. So what I was saying was, feed this part. Honestly, might have a comp on here. I don't need this one. Feed this through. See it under hanging. Push this down, that back sitting normal. Put it through over this way so it could properly go to the shift that under the wire harness. So I'm gonna pull it through. Put that on there, put that part on there, flat down perfect. See how it extends? Perfect. Basically, that's the outside basically from where the hole at. And this is what's left. Really easy and simple. So we gotta put that hook onto this piece and got lines right here. Leave this as park. Slides onto there. Going. On my back so it looks upside down. Get that on there. And that's pretty much it. It's apart. Take it off the jack before I even try to make sure it works. Gotta get the C-clamps for this. That basically goes there. The ones I tried to get at the junkyard did not work. They were too big. Or the truck, take it off the jack stands, and then we're gonna try this out. Let's try it out now. Brake. And park. Press. Neutral. Drive. 3, 2, 1. Back to park. Still rolling. Something's not right. Working now. I had to fix and adjust the line. It was getting stuck. E-brake down. Feet off the brake. Not moving. Park. Perfect. Now we can throw the center console back on. I got the console fully back in with the shifter and everything. We got park, reverse, neutral, drive, 3, 2, 1. And we have the traction button right there. It's plugged in, the sensor right here. We got 1, 2, 3, drive, neutral, reverse, park. So So yeah, that's pretty much it. We got the center console in, the shifter working perfect, nice and park and firm. Only thing I'm really waiting on is to get the right C-clamps. Everything is good.